Unlocking the Mystery of Bureaucracy, Advanced English Vocabulary. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into a topic that is omnipresent in any society: bureaucracy. You might have come across this term before, but have you ever stopped to really understand what it means? The good news is, by the end of this video, you'll have a thorough understanding of what bureaucracy is and the English vocabulary related to it. So, let's get started. In simple terms, bureaucracy refers to a system of government where decisions are made by state officials rather than elected representatives. It can also represent any complex organization or system that is rigid and has many detailed procedures. Now, let's move on to some related vocabulary. 1. Bureaucrat, an official in a government department. 2. Red tape, excessive formality and routine required before official action can be taken. 3. Paperwork, routine work involving written documents such as forms, records, or letters. 4. Administration, the process or activity of running a business, organization, etc. 5. Public servant, a government official. 6. Regulation, a rule or directive made and maintained by an authority. Let's put these words into sentences to better understand their use. 1. The bureaucrat processed the paperwork promptly, enabling the citizen to get his passport on time. 2. The company had to cut through a lot of red tape to get the necessary permits. 3. The sheer amount of paperwork required for the application was overwhelming. 4. The school's administration is known for its efficient handling of bureaucratic processes. 5. As a public servant, her primary duty is to ensure the welfare of the citizens. 6. New regulations were implemented to streamline the bureaucratic process. It's always good to know some synonyms. This will enrich your vocabulary and enable you to express the same idea in different ways. So, here are a few synonyms for bureaucracy. 1. Red tape. 2. Officialdom. 3. Civil service. 4. The establishment. 5. Big brother. Remember, while these words have similar meanings to bureaucracy, their connotations can differ, so they may not always be perfect substitutes in every context. That brings us to the end of our journey through the realm of bureaucracy. We've covered the meaning of bureaucracy, related vocabulary, usage in sentences, and synonyms. I hope this has been a useful exploration, and that these words will help you in your English learning journey, especially if you're preparing for academic or professional scenarios that involve government and politics. As always, keep practicing, and stay curious. Happy learning!